2016 Jeep Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, center armrest, electronic stability control, power windows, fog lights, rear window defroster, heated front seats, CD player, brake assist, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, tachometer, power seat, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, rear window wiper. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.